My dear children, in this module we are going to discuss about the bare bones of Python programs. It means the basic structure of a Python program. Take a look of the following code. Hash, this program shows a program's component. Hash, definition of function cu follows. My dear children, if any statement starts with a hash, it is considered to be comments in the programming. The next one, def cu of, print this function. That is nothing but module that we already discussed. It's a small part of a program that can be invoked from any other part. It's called function. Hash main program. It is what? It is a comment again. Why? Because it begins with a hash. A equal to 10, B equal to A plus 20, C equal to A plus B. That is nothing but the expression. It is called expression. If any equation, any assignments you are using in your program, then it is termed to be expression. Then if C greater than equal to 100, that is also a statement. What type of statement it is? Selection statement. But the above three, A equal to 10, B equal to A plus 20, C is equal to A plus B is sequential statement. If was a type of statement, that is selection statement. Then print is an inline command. It is used for printing or displaying the given value. The values are equal or more than 100. Again, else coming under the category of selection statement. You have to notice the print statement's indentation, that is the spacing between if and print. The print is included within if. Print value is equal. That statement is included within if. That means they had provided some space from the left hand side towards right hand side. That is called the indentation. If you want to make any block or any set of statements, then we need to provide indentations. Indentations are nothing but the spaces that we are including in our program. Then cu, it's calling a function. So my dear children, please be aware about the terms which are used in the bare bones. That is, the first one, definition of a function, that is a function, comments, statements, sequential statement, selection statement, expressions. What type of expression it is? The first three is arithmetic expression, whereas C greater than or equal to 100 is a relational type expression. There is a checking happens whether C greater than or equal to 100. So some selection happens. So it is also known as selection statement. Then look at the indentation of print statements, that is the spacing which we had given horizontally is known as indentation. Why we need to give indentations? To provide a block of statements. Then the last one is calling a function. So all these are called the bare bones of Python programming. My dear children, you need to know each and every term which are used in the bare bone programming. Likewise, we are having many things or a related meaning of these things we have to discuss. The next one is an expression. What do you mean by an expression? An expression is any legal combination of symbols that represents a value. An expression is generally a combination of operators and operands. Look at the expression example given, A plus 10. Here the operands are what? A and 10. What is the operator I used? Plus. Salary into 10 divided by 100. What are the operands I used? Salary, 10, 100. And what are the operators I used? Into and division. So my dear children, Expression is nothing but the combination of operands and operators. Statement. It is a programming instruction that does something or some action take place. Print welcome to Python. The above statement called print function to print welcome to Python. That will be displayed in our monitor while we are executing the program. When an expression is evaluated, a statement is executed. That is, some action take place. A equal to 100. That is also an expression and also a statement. B equal to B plus 20. So, here also we are giving some instruction to the interpreter to do some actions. So, statement is what? Programming instruction. Comments that we already discussed. Comments are additional information written in a program which are not executed by the interpreter. That is, the lines which are begins with a hash will be ignored by the interpreter. That is nothing but the additional information about a statement. Comments contain the information regarding statements used, program flow, etc. Normally comments begins with what? The symbol hash. Python support 3 ways to enter comments. Full line comment, inline comment, multiple line comment. Full line comment begins with hash. Inline comment also begins with the hash. Look at the example. Full line comment. Hash. This is a program of volume of cylinder. And you are trying to give area equal to length into breadth. After that only you are providing hash calculating area of rectangle. So this is called the inline comment. Not full line comment. It is inline comment. In the statement we are giving a comment. So till which part the interpreter will take? Area equal to length into breadth. That part only interpreter will take. The next part begins with a hash is an additional information given to the programmer. What about the programming statement? Multiple line comment means lines which are begins with a hash. Program name is area of circle, date is 27/2018 and the language is Python. All these are additional information. It is given for the user's view only, not for the execution. So comments are given for additional information about the same program which is ignored by or which is not executed in the interpreter. My dear children, till this I am ending this module. Thank you.